Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this 101 part series about Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 ways to transform your life. Here we are today with part 6, which really is a huge principle I find that's really helped me in my life, and I think really relates to a lot of Dr. Wayne Dyer's work on getting through guilt, getting over problems, that kind of stuff. So, to start off by paraphrasing a lot of what he says in this part, we're looking to forgive ourselves for our past transgressions, all these kind of things that we've done wrong in the past, accepting that the past is over now. It already happened, and there's nothing we can do about that. Like, it's over, you know? Air conditioner kicking in there. Hopefully that doesn't ruin the audio, but anyway, that kind of thing. It's over. The past has already happened, and a lot of people have this mindset that they think that they can just change the past, or that regretting it or wallowing in these problems of the past is really useful. But it's not. There's nothing useful about wallowing in the past, and this is really what this principle gets at. Forgive yourself and let it go, because the past is the past, and that's why we call it the past, okay? It's already passed us by. It's gone. Like, whoever you were who did those things, like, that's over. That person is gone. You're no longer the person you were when you did those things or thought those things that you didn't like. I mean, that's basically it. I mean, all of that is over. The past, be it 5 minutes ago, 5 seconds ago, 5 years ago, 50 years ago, whatever, it doesn't actually matter because it no longer exists. Those were all things that were in the past. And whoever you are, I'm sure that whoever you were in that period was doing the best they could. Nobody makes decisions that they think are bad and just goes with them, okay? Everybody did the best they could, and now it's a matter of being able to move on. So I think that after previous principles were about not judging nature or things around you or people around you, that kind of not judgment, now it's on to not judging yourself. And I think this is particularly powerful because our system of I think society commonly teaches people that they should feel bad about the past or that they screwed up and they can never fix it, that kind of stuff. And I think that's just ridiculous. That's not at all the case. That's not true. And this principle is really saying, forgive yourself. All the things you did wrong, let them go. Don't hold them against yourself. Just let go and fly away with your life. Do what you really want to do and move on from the past. As Wayne Dyer says in some of his other work, the wake doesn't drive the boat, okay? It's just left behind you. And that's really what I think he's getting at here with the past is the past. And that's why I'd say it's called the past. Anywho, that's about it for this principle. I'll see you guys next time with the 7th one. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and this was useful.